How to change a flat tire, step-by-step instructions. Introduction. Going out of your car only to find one of your tires is flat is one of the worst possible ways of starting your morning commute. Changing a flat tire is a rather unpleasant experience that requires ensuring safety, locating proper tools, making all the necessary preparations, removing a flat tire, and installing a spare one. This essay will provide instructions for changing a flat tire. Main body. The first and most important recommendation is to ensure the safety of the process. The first step is asking yourself if you are physically capable of hard work and have all the necessary equipment for changing a tire. In case the answer is negative, it is preferable to ask for external help. In case your answer is positive, you may proceed to the following steps. The second step is removing the vehicle out of the way of the oncoming traffic. The third step is setting an emergency brake. Only after ensuring safety, you start locating proper tools. Locating all the necessary equipment is an important stage in changing a flat tire. The first goal is finding a spare tire and preparing it for further installation. The next step is finding a car jack, a mechanical device that is necessary for raising the vehicle. The following step requires locating a tire iron, a metal tool that is used in working with tires. The next recommendation is finding an owner's manual which can help organize the process properly. After locating all these tools, you may proceed to further preparations. After ensuring safety and locating all the proper tools, you may start up the process itself. Firstly, it is necessary to loosen the lugs before uplifting the vehicle. Secondly, you need to remove the lug nuts and put them aside, making sure that you will not lose them. Thirdly, it is necessary to set parking brakes. Fourthly, you need to locate the proper jacking point. After completing these four significant preparations, you may start the stage of removing a flat tire. The next stage of flat tire removal can be started only after making all the necessary preparations. After making sure that everything is ready, you may raise your vehicle to the necessary height. It is possible to consult the owner's manual to define the correct place for putting the jack and the recommended height. The next step of this stage is removing the flat tire and putting it aside. Then, you need to inspect a spare tire and evaluate its condition. After removing a flat tire, you may proceed to install a spare one. The installation of a spare tire is the final stage of the process, which consists of several important steps. The first step is lining the hole and stud up, which would make installing a spare tire easier. The second step is screwing the lug nuts back on. The third step is lowering the jack and pulling it away from the vehicle. The fourth step is to torque the lug nuts properly, which is the final step of the whole process. Conclusion. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can simplify the unpleasant task of removing a flat tire and installing a spare one, economizing your time and effort. Additionally, by using these recommendations and taking all the precautionary measures, you will be able to prevent any possible complications.